The water seems to have grown bigger, so we're going to go and visit another waterfall this time. This time we are going to Morialta waterfall. Morialta. Is it Morialta or Morota? I forgot the name, but yeah. So let's go. This is the map for the trails here. So this is here Morialta Conservation Park, Morialta Falls. There's a beautiful track or trail leading towards the waterfall out here. Perfect for short walks, and yeah, it's very easy. Might take 10 to 15 minutes from the parking. Right now we are walking towards the waterfall. Look at this beautiful nature. Adelaide is the best. Everyone should come here. Alright, we are walking towards the waterfall now. Let's see how it is. It rained for a week here, so I hope the waterfall might have grown big. Let's see. Okay, probably at the first fall of Morialta waterfall. It's very big, quite amazing. Lovely one, I love it. I'll show you the waterfall now. Alright, there it is. Alright, back after going to the first fall. So I went to the first fall. Now we'll go to the Eagle's Nest lookout. From this one it's like 900 meters. I'll go from here now. Let's go. Alright, and there has been a change of plan. So I came with my brother and nephew just to see the waterfall, but then I found out that there's a very beautiful hike out here, beautiful trails. So I decided to go for a walk, go for a hike, and show you all how it is. Two of them left to play basketball, and then they are going to come and pick me up later. Meanwhile, I'm going to explore the hike. Let's go. Plateau hike, Eagle's Nest lookout. So there's a lookout there from where I can take a look at the waterfall and then see the whole plateau. Let's go. Alright, I'm here at the lookout. It's like 900 meters from the junction, so I can see the first waterfall which I just visited. Look at this, there's the waterfall. I'm going to go there, come back, and then continue with the plateau hike. It's very beautiful, guys. At the top of the first waterfall, I was there. I walked from there. That's the lookout. Everything is very beautiful out here. Like the tracks and the trails are, built very well. I like it. I think I would probably go for hikes from next week, like on the weekends, explore different hikes here in Adelaide and show you guys. Maybe everything is very beautiful. I like it here. Look at this. Guys, I've climbed to the top of the waterfall we just visited, and this is the top of the waterfall here. I wish I had a drone so that I could fly one, but yeah, this is the top of the waterfall out here. Morialta waterfall. All right, there's another waterfall here, so I'm walking towards the second waterfall. Let's go and see. Right now I'll be hiking towards the base of the second waterfall. Let's go. Whew. All right, to the base of the second waterfall. Let's go. Ha. Ha. Wow. Bit sketchy, but very good. I mean, yeah. Oh, here it is, the second waterfall. Wow, very beautiful. So I have to hike all the way up. There's a bridge, so I'll cross from here and head towards the other side of the hill. It's beautiful out here. The waterfall has grown very big because it had rained for last 1 week here in Adelaide. The waterfall is like beautiful. Just taking a rest here and enjoying this view. It's beautiful waterfall. People in Adelaide, if you haven't visited here, do check out this hike. It's great. All right, guys, now heading towards the third waterfall out here. Now the number of people hiking on this trail has decreased drastically, so there are only like few people I can meet on the trail. I'm hiking for the first time out here in Adelaide, and I'm doing a solo hike. Feels a bit uncomfortable, but I know it's safe out here. Yeah maybe it's because I'm hiking here for the first time, so that's why I kind of feel a bit spooky around here because of the vegetation and all. But then yeah, it's a lovely hike. I am enjoying every bits of it, all the hikes. Like, we have to follow this small stream out here from which all the waterfall originates. All right, heading towards the third waterfall now. Guys, my friend Dechen just called me. Look at him. Oh, the hike towards the third waterfall is a bit longer. I feel like that. Oh, I need to cross the water out here. I need to cross this stream. I can't jump. I think maybe I need to take off my shoes. I don't want to return back from here. I came a long way, and I want to see the third waterfall. Maybe I'll just remove the shoes and walk. I removed my shoes, so I'll cross the stream. Guess I'll just walk without the shoes till the third waterfall, then I'll have to remove it again when I cross it back. I'll just go barefoot. We're at the third waterfall. Walked for like 500 meters without shoes. Maybe I should put on my shoes back. Maybe there's no water crossing now. It is the third waterfall of Morialta. After the third waterfall, there's another junction here. So Norton Summit, I'm going to go there. We can go from here also. So you'll reach from where I started. From here, I'll go to Norton Summit Road. From here, let's go. There's a rock climbing too. Climber's track from here. But I'm not a climber. Here to check out the climber's trail. So there's the hooks from where you can tie your ropes here on the edges, you know, so you can climb down. Wow, there are these chains out here. Climber's trail is on the cliff. So interested rock climbers here in Adelaide, check it out. Let's try the climber's trail from here. Need to be safe. Let's try it. Ooh. Whoa, like this. So these are the rocks you're going to climb if you're here at the climber's trail. It's interesting. I would love to try rock climbing, but I'm fat and not strong. Look at that. That's where they climb. No climbers right now though. Rock climbing and abseiling. So this is where you can do some rock climbings here in Adelaide. So I descended down from the rock climbers trail and now heading back towards the second waterfall. Then I will head towards the other side of the plateau. It has turned out to be very good hike for me. But I'm thirsty. I did not bring any water. I did not come prepared. It has been like 1.5 hours into the trail. It's fun, it's interesting. I'm loving everything about it. But yeah, I should have come prepared. But then yeah, it was an abrupt plan. So this is what you expect. Let's go. Back to the crossing. I think I should just jump. I have a bad experience with water. Let's see if I can jump. Alright, now I've crossed the second fall. Now I'm going towards the Kookaburra Rock Lookout. It's out there. There's a rock. I can't see it properly from here. Let's see. There we can see it. There's the Kookaburra Rock Lookout. At the moment, here standing on the Kokoboro rock, enjoying the 360 view of this whole valley. It's amazing out here, guys. Look at this, the 360 view of the valley. There are like 3 types of trails out here. I think the one I hiked was kind of the medium one, where it took me like 2 hours. Maybe it will take me like almost for 2 hours when I'm there at the parking. And then there is another trail. I think it might take you more than 5 hours or something, like, you know, it starts from there, and then like you hike through the whole valley, you know, from there. So for me, I just hiked from here, but there's also another hike which starts all the way from there. Like you can see the trails from there, and then like, you know, you come here, which might take more than maybe 4 to 5 hours. The one I hiked, it's just for 2 hours maximum, I think. Yeah, if you're a fast hiker, you might do it you know, pretty faster, but if you want to enjoy the scenes, the waterfalls and everything, then yeah, it might take you 2 to 3 hours. Yeah, it was good. Moderate difficulty. I did not sweat much also. Look, you can see I did not bring any water. I wasn't even prepared for the hike. So yeah, it's not that difficult. So if you guys wanna, you know, if you guys are looking for a good place to hike here in Adelaide, this is the one. There's like rock climbing also, and then as I said, there's a hike where you can, you know, do for the whole day. And yeah, it's quite amazing. Everyone should come here. And that's it, guys. This is the end of the trail. I'm here almost at the parking. You can see the parking down there. Yeah, the hike took me almost, I mean, more than 2 hours, but not more than 2.5 hours. It can be 2 hours. Yeah, you can say, you know, almost 2 hours. You can say 2 hours, whatever it is. But yeah, it took me somewhere around 2 hours. Great hike, good one. So heading towards the parking now. I hope you guys will watch this video, press the like button, share, and subscribe to the channel if you are watching.